Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I want to welcome you all to our home. Today I'm going to share my summer decor home tour with you all, and I thought I would invite you all over to enjoy some of the festivities at our house for the 4th of July. Let's start off in the kitchen. If you have seen some of my DIYs this summer, a lot of this will look familiar to you. I've gotten a lot of questions about my Liberty sign that I picked up at Walmart last year, and my hutch, which this year I have just fallen in love with the color blue and tried to add in bits and pieces everywhere. And I actually kept out quite a few of my tea items from Mother's Day. So growing up, 4th of July was something that I looked forward to every year. We didn't have a lot growing up, but we made memories nonetheless. Every year, my mom would fry up a massive batch of fried chicken, make a big container full of potato salad, and baked beans. She did all of her work ahead of time, stuck everything in the fridge, and on the 4th, bright and early, we headed to our local park and spent the entire day there, swimming in the local swimming pool, playing at the park, eating our cold fried chicken, which was just the best, and then we would finally settle down for some fireworks in the evening. Growing up, my mom did not decorate for the seasons, and we didn't have a whole lot of extra, but I think that has been a blessing in life because it has made me far more creative than I would have been. And because I love decorating so much, it's worked out really well for me to be creative, to find something on the side of the road, out for the trash for free, something that doesn't cost a lot from the Dollar Tree or a secondhand store, and being able to give it a facelift and transform it into something that no one would ever believe was free or cost next to nothing. I love playing around with decor and just changing it up. This year I took this sign from the 99-cent store a few years back and hot glued it inside of another sign that I've used before for Christmas with a star on it. I love the way it turned out, and I don't think anyone would guess that that sign cost so little. I love bringing in different decor for each season and different colors. I grow really weary of my color scheme really quickly, so when it comes to summer, it's all about red, white, and blue for me. What I do is I keep all my red decor in its own bin so I can easily bring it out at Christmas and then leave it out through Valentine's Day, put it away for a while during Easter, and then bring it back out during summer. This year more than ever, I have made most of my decor with all the extra time at home and just wanting to be wise about how I spend my pennies. I've taken things from my craft stash and made a ton of new patriotic decor, including my USA sign that I am in love with. I'm sure if you've seen any of my other home tours, a lot of this is looking familiar. From my little red houses I painted from Target Dollar Spot, to my rustic stars I picked up at the thrift store, and even my little red Christmas truck that I pulled the trees out of. This year I'm even reusing a bell I picked up after Christmas on clearance over here in the corner on my chair. And I've put it with one of my favorite DIYs of all time. That's the simple rag garland that I made out of a few things from the Dollar Tree as a DIY on my channel a few years back. I look forward to bringing it out and finding a new place for it every year.
Touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light and love, giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, the sunshine on the broken, let the summer come again, let the heat find all the frozen, let the force in 1,000 lovers meet. You have seen 1,000 tired feet, seen them rest upon a hill beneath a crown. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above, I feel above. Oh, let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. 'Cause I am let the force in. 'Cause I am let the force in. I am above, I feel above, I feel above, I feel above, oh, I feel above.
I'm sure next year I will be thrilled bringing out my new tin that I DIY'd from a container of cookies at Aldi, and my sweet treats that I made back in February just using some things from the Target dollar spot. And you may have noticed that I have been to Hobby Lobby. While I was there, I found this gorgeous lantern on clearance for $7. I had to bring it home with me, and this year I put another dollar sign in the back of it with a plant, some lights, and a couple of flags. I think this is going to be a new addition for every season in my decor. Something I've already been enjoying the reuse of is my little red wagon. A lot of you have asked me where I got it, and it was back at Christmas time for just $9 from Oriental Trading Company. So I don't know about you, but when I find a good deal, I snatch it up. I'm not always sure how I'm going to end up using it, but when I like something, I grab it. And that's the case with this star. It's actually out of my boys' room and something I picked up on clearance after the 4th of July a few years back. When it comes to buying my home decor, it has always been about the price tag. Because I like to reuse my items, repurpose them, give them a facelift, I look at my home decor as a revolving door. Something that I spend very little on, I can use in a few different ways, get plenty of use out of, and then pass it on to someone else. This year, I've really enjoyed my Patriotic decor, and it has been up for some time. But in all honesty, it's taken a while to sit down and find the time to edit, to share this with you guys. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing how I've decorated our home for the summer. I will leave this up for quite some time still. And I wanted to just share a little footage of our day here at the house on 4th of July with you all so you can see some of the ways that we celebrated. And from our home to yours, happy 4th of July.